Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is April the 5th and I'm using my new Pipsnagger trading system. It's another great day of trading along with my daily trade plan, which we can take a look at. Remember, from this line here at 6 a.m. I'm putting together my daily trade plan. So let's take a look at that. Here we go. Daily trade plan for April the 5th, 22. There was a lot of trading opportunities today, a couple of preferreds, lots of bulls and bears trades, and of course we had to wait for four of them for the charts to line up. If you are not putting together a trading plan, this is one of the main reasons why you are failing. Every day I'm drilling down the lights from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, and this tells me whether I should be buying or selling. If you're interested in this daily trade plan, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Keep in mind I do charge $100 a month for it. Okay, you can put it on pause and you can check out the trades. So now we can move forward. This is a very easy system to trade. Concept is easy, using Heikin-Ashi candles on the top for trend direction. As you can clearly see, red we're selling and blue we're buying. And down at the bottom here, this TZ magic indicator. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now this up and down movement, I call that the flow of the market. I've gone as far as nickname this complete system, the Holy Grail trading system, and this TZ indicator I've nicknamed it a magic indicator. Now of course I know there's no such thing as a magic indicator in a Holy Grail trading system, but when you have a system that's pumping out more than 200 pips every day, what would you call it? And just looking at this total here, for sure I am well over 300 pips today. So let's get into these trades. Lots of Forex pairs and futures. Euro dollar, here we go. There's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be selling directly from the daily trade plan. Went mostly sideways until finally it decided to pay out. Euro dollar does pay $10 a pip, so this has to be 16. And there it is, 16 pips times $10 times 10 lots. Everything was lining up for an easy $1,600. Okay, let's run a check on the 30-year bonds. Here we go. 30-year bonds, 2 arrows. That reminds me it's a preferred trade. It's a minimum at least 95%. It's going to go down. It may do a cycle, 1 or 2 cycles, a little bit up. But as I teach within the training videos, I teach exactly how to catch those cycles. I jumped the gun a little bit. Should have got in over here. Not a big deal. Still a winner. Does pay $5 a pip. Could have made a lot more. But once I got 200 or more pips, I'm done for the day. Let's see. That would be probably just right on 51. Because if you do 51 times $5 a tick, those 51 ticks ended up paying out $2,550. Okay, let's take a look at this S&P 500. Keep in mind S&P 500 does pay $5 a pip, but it moves lots of pips every day. So let's see where I got in at. Daily trade plan was saying to sell. It did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Now, this is the way the market moves. Keep in mind that if 10 or 20 pips will not hold on the futures. Decided to test the top here one more time. and I knew it was going to go down because my daily trade plan said it was going to go down. Now, of course, when you get mixed signals, that's why you have this up and down motion. But you just hang around and wait till you get the payday. Took the trade at that cursor, closed it out just being happy with 84 times 5 times 10 lots. That's very close to, well, as you can see, it's paying out $4,250. And of course, as you can see, all the trades were selling anywhere between 6 and, well, this was the last one I did, the Russell, 839, and I closed them all out just before 10 and then up to about 10:30. So let's see now, that was the S&P. Let's go check out the Russell. Here we go, another one that spiked around a little bit. Not much you can do about it except get in and go for the ride. Remember, if you get mixed signals, it will go up and it will go down. This is very important that you have a trade plan so that you know what it's going to do. And I could have made a lot more, but once I hit more than 200 pips, I was happy with that. I closed it out just being happy. Russell does pay $10 a pip. This has to be 40. There it is right there. It's hard to get it bang right on, but this time I did. 40 pips times $10 times 10 lots. That's why you see $4,000 down at the bottom. Okay, let's run a check on the next Forex pair. Here we go with the pound CAD. Another one I sold. There's the arrow. Let's see where I got in at. Drag and drop this up. TZ is showing the cycle. Got in. I knew it was going to go down. 95% sure of that. And I ended up locking in, looks like about 19 pips. And those 19 pips on the pound CAD paid $1,531. And of course, this trade, when I pulled the trigger, did qualify for a great way to trade. That's using the indicators on the top and the bottom. Moving right along now. Let's see, pound New Zealand. Sold it. There's the arrow. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Exactly how I teach within the training videos. Everything lined up perfect right here on this red candle. Took the trade on this one. Let's see now. And close it out just being happy with about 21 pips. And of course, those 21 pips paid out $1,476. Okay, next trade, Euro CAD. A little more to the left here. Let's see where it is. There it is, Euro CAD. Again, wanted to sell. There's the arrow. Did qualify for a great way to trade. I was 95% sure I had a winner. And when the day comes that you're 95% sure, you're going to find a lot of successful trades. Went against me about 15 pips. I knew it was going to go, and it did go, and it produced 42 pips. It looks like those 42 pips on the EuroCAD paid out $3,465. Okay, moving on to the next trade, Euro New Zealand. Another one I sold. It was a preferred trade according to my daily trade plan. Again, more powerful for going down, not 100% guaranteed, but generally as a rule, more often than not, it will give you pips. So I pulled the trigger there, went a little bit against me, about 18 pips or so, and I closed it out just being happy with 53. Looks like those 53 pips paid out $3,725. So another good looking trade example for a great way to trade. Next trade, dollar CAD. Let's see where I got in at. Another one I sold, another one qualified for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Let's see where I got in first of all. Waited for the red candle, waited for the signals, exactly the way I teach in the videos. Look how tight the stop is, it's 5 pips. Risking 5 to get 50, 51 actually. And those 51 pips paid out $4,190. Finally, the one that actually pays the most, well, the DAX 30 pays a lot also, but this one, NASDAQ, pays $20 a pip. Let's see where I got in at first of all, then we can talk about it. Okay, when I pulled the trigger right here, it did qualify for a great way to trade. Did a little bit of a move up, not a big deal, and I could have made a lot more, to be honest with you. Looks like 3 times more. Would have been well over, probably around 24,000. But I don't worry about what I left on the table. I ended up getting, let's see, 43. That would be pretty close. I'm going to get a calculator out, take the money and divide it by $20 and get that number right on. I just used a calculator and it said there was 43.7. So let's see if I can get at least 43 here. There it is, pretty close to 43.7. Let's go with 43. Ticks times 20 times 10 lots. Ended up paying out $8,740. So another great day of trading. I just added up all the pips and ticks. As I said earlier, it's going to be well over 300. Turned out to be actually close to yesterday's. Yesterday was 427, if you remember, and today is 420 pips. And those 420 pips paid out $35,529. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my pip snagger, well, I suggest you get your hands on it, and you should consider also getting your hands on the daily trade plan. If you want some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. My pip snagger system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market, and this magic indicator will help you a lot. If you want to get some gold, all you got to do is follow this gold line and it will produce some profits for you, as long as you follow the rules within the training videos. Now my system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is just all bonus stuff with a lot of valuable training and education that should help you to succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I teach a lot of different ways. The more different ways that you learn, the more pips you'll be making and the more money you'll be making. And this is the main reason why I produce 50 training videos about 20 minutes long each. Now you can put the video on pause, as I'm not going to read everything here. If you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number, and if you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I really do prefer Skype, so that we can meet up on Skype, and when you click on this link, we'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind that I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link right here, you'll see 40 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, of course, hopefully that'll be tomorrow. I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.